Hello dear students. So in chapter number 14 water. So in last video we had learnt about the different uses of water in our life. So student, we are using water for drinking, brushing, bathing, washing utensils, washing clothes, toilets and cleaning floor and many other uses. Okay, so means water is very essential and important in our life. Student, have you know? So where do we get water from? So from where do we get the water? So where do you get the water that you use or where do you get the water that you use? मतलब आप जो पानी यूज करते हो वो आपको कहाँ से मिलता है? Some of you may say we draw water from a river, spring, pond, well or a hand pump. So what's your answer? Your answer will be you will draw on a water. मतलब आप में से सभी का आंसर क्या हो सकता है कि हम लोग रिवर से पानी लाते हैं, वी आर ब्रिंगिंग वाटर फ्रॉम स्प्रिंग, पॉन्ड से लाते हैं, वेल से और हैंड पंप से. सम अदर्स माइट से वी गेट वाटर फ्रॉम टैप्स. करेक्ट. सम स्टूडेंट्स दे विल से वी गेट वाटर फ्रॉम टैप्स. हमें नल से पानी मिलता है. हैव यू एवर वंडर्ड वेयर वाटर इन द टैप्स कम्स फ्रॉम? सो डिड यू नो? So the water that you are getting from the taps, they're getting from the tap, that from where that water comes. मतलब जो पानी आपको टैप से मिलता है तो टैप में भी पानी कहाँ से आता है, मतलब नल में पानी कहाँ से आता है. So water that we get from taps is also drawn from a lake or a river or a well. Correct. So water that we get from the tap that also drawn from the lake or a river. See, look at this. See, this is a building, and in building, the water in building, the people they get the water from the taps. But first, the water is drawn from the lake. See, here having lake. Okay, and in lake, the water drawing from the pipeline. See, this is a pipeline, and after that. That water is stored in this tank, and after sometimes that water get the people from the tap. Okay, means what is the main source of the water? River, lake, well and the rain. These are the main source of water. Means everyone get the water from river, lake, pond and the well. So student, water in taps also comes from river, lake or wells. Correct? So each of us may be getting water into our homes in different ways. But finally all of us get water from the same sources such as ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. Correct? So everyone getting water into our home in different ways. मतलब किसी को वेल से पानी मिलता है, किसी को टैप से मिलता है. Then some are drawing water from the river, but finally all of us get water from the same sources such as ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. So नल में भी पानी कहाँ से आता है? Ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. So everyone will get water from the same sources that are ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. So student, we have discussed some of the sources of water. Where does the water come from to fill these ponds, lakes, rivers and wells? So student, we have discussed about then everyone will get water. Everyone get water from ponds, lakes, rivers and wells. But another question is also there. How these ponds, lakes, rivers and wells are filled? तो इनमें फिर से पानी कहाँ से आता है? कैन यू टेल मी द आंसर? सो हाउ ponds, lakes, rivers and wells fill with water? So because of the rain, ponds and lakes, rivers and wells, they are filled with the water. Means filled with the water. So in the pond, lake, river and wells, water also comes from rain. So what is the main source of water? Rain is the main source of water. First, rain is fall into the pond, lake, river and wells, and after that we get the water from pond, lake, river and the well. And some people they get water from the tap. Okay, so student, what is the main sources of water? Rain is the main source of water, and pond, lake, river and wells, these are also some sources of water. So student, have you know that about 2/3 of the earth is covered with water? So this is a picture of our earth, and about 2/3 of a part of the earth is covered with water. But all the water is not good for drinking, is not fit for drinking, because the water that are present on earth, that is mostly present in the ocean and the sea. Correct? Ocean and the seas. So most of the water is in the ocean and the seas. See, this is blue color, means what is that? The water means the 1/3 of the means 2/3 part of the earth is covered with the water. But this all water is not good for drinking, because the most of this water is in the ocean and seas. मतलब ये सब ब्लू कलर में है, वो ये पानी है. करेक्ट? मतलब अर्थ का जो पार्ट है 2/3 पार्ट, वो किससे कवर है? पानी से. बट ये पानी इट इज नॉट गुड फॉर ड्रिंकिंग, बिकॉज ये पानी कौन सा पानी है? ओशन एंड सीज. So this water is of ocean and seas, and we cannot drink the ocean or sea water because it is a salty water. So the water in the oceans and seas has many salt dissolved in it. Correct? So ocean and sea water is a salty water, and the water is a saline. So in ocean and sea water, salt is dissolved. So this water is called saline water. So it is not fit for drinking and other domestic, agricultural and industrial needs. So sea and ocean water is not good for drinking, for the domestic animals also, for the agriculture and for the industrial needs. So it is not good for drinking, domestic, agricultural and industrial needs. So you might have heard the famous lines of the poem, A Rhyme of the Ancient Mariner, written by S.T. Coleridge in 1798. So what is the poem? Water, water everywhere, nor any drop to drink. Correct ना? So water, water everywhere, but nor any drop to drink. मतलब यहाँ पोएम का मीनिंग क्या है? कि सब जगह पानी है, बट एक ड्रॉप जो है that also we cannot drink, because all water is a saline or a salty water. Here the poet has described the plight of sailors on a ship lost in the ocean. So in this poem, what poet described the sailor on a ship, he lost in the ocean. तो जो sailor है ship का, वो ocean में lost हुआ है, और he was thirsty. So everywhere water is there in the ocean, but he cannot drink the water because the water is a salty or a saline water. So student, means we are on our earth, they are having 2/3 of water, but we cannot drink that water because that water is a salty or a saline water. Oceans play an important role in supplying the water that we use. Correct? But then also we cannot drink the ocean water or sea water, but that ocean and seas, they are playing important role in supplying water that we are using. Do you find this surprising? After all, the water that we use is not salty. Correct, student? We are using the water that is not a salty. Many of us live in places far away from the oceans. Thus the water supply in these places also depend on the ocean. How does the ocean water reach ponds? Student, we are also living far away from the ocean or a sea. Okay, we have a sea. But we also get the water that also supply from the ocean. Okay, or how does, so tell me, have you know how this ocean water is supplied to the ponds or lakes, rivers and wells? how that ocean water is reached to the ponds, lakes, and the wells, which supply us water. How come the water from these sources is not saline anymore? मतलब ओशन से पानी पॉन्ड, लेक और रिवर, वेल में आता है. तो ये कैसे आता है? Have you know? और and the water from these sources is not saline anymore. और ओशन से जो वाटर रिवर वेल्स में आता है वो सलाइन और सॉल्टी भी नहीं होता है. सो हाउ इट विल हैपन? सो स्टूडेंट, दिस विल हैपन बिकॉज ऑफ द वाटर साइकिल. दैट इज वेयर द वाटर साइकिल कम्स इन. सो वो जो ओशन का वाटर है वो सॉल्टी है, लेकिन देन एंड वी कैन नॉट ड्रिंक दैट वाटर because that is a salty water. But then also we are also depending on the ocean water, and ocean water is also supplied in a river, pond and lake. But how it will supply? Because of the water cycle. Because of the water cycle. Have you know about the water cycle? What is mean by water cycle? So student, we will see this water cycle in our next video. Okay, so student, means ocean water is salty. Then also we are depend on the ocean for our water, that we will see in our next video. So read this topic, read the main source. What is the main source of water? River is the rain is the main source of water. And what are the other sources of water? River, pond, lake and well are the other sources of water. Okay student. And how many part of the earth is covered with water? 2/3 of the earth is covered with water. Okay, so student, we will see about water cycle in our next video. And complete your homework. Thank you students.